Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm here to do my savings challenges for Friday the 22nd, which will be week 3 of March. I have £140 here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 20 and 40. I should have got some change out, but we'll see what we can do along the way. I'm going to start with my bag of book. Really like this one, bag of book, and each book is £2, so I'm going to do £20 today, and if I mark it off I will be fine. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great. So that's £20 for grab a book. I'm always saying bag a book, don't know why, but don't know why. And we will get it in here. I need to sort out my envelopes. They're all in a tiswas at the moment. Now we have autumn. This grab a book is by Frugality is Life, and I will put her channel link in the description below. And we've got autumn now. Let's just mark off autumn. I'm going to do £10, which is 1 autumn leave, and I will just quickly scribble that. Yep, won't take much time. And let's get some change, shall we? Let's have a look. Yeah, I've got to sort all this money out. I haven't been in the binder for a while, but it all needs sorting out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40. Great, I have made some change and I will put £10 in for autumn. Oops. The puzzle pieces, I have finished the £80 one, and I have the £120 one. The £40 one I had finished, was it last year, just before Christmas or something? I think so. Anyway, each puzzle piece on this one are £3, so I'm going to round them up. I'm going to do 3, 6, 9, 12, so I'm going to round them up to 15. And here we go, no change again. Come on, Jazzy, you could do better than that. Let's see if we've got any £5 in here. 5, 10. Okay. Yes, as I said, I will round them up, and I'm going to do these in hot pink. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. Right, that's 15. There we go, that one's finished with, that one's 8, that one's 8 and it's completed. Let me just show you 20, 40, 60, 80, all completed for that one. And we've got the 15 in here for that one. Right, the rainy wellies, not anymore, the rainy day, we've got here the rainy day fund is 10. Now the denominations go up to 50, and we've got some 5s, 10s, 15s, 25s and 50s here. So I'm going to start off by doing all the 10s, and I will do them in yellow. So I'll do 10 today. We'll get £300. Woohoo! £300 we'll be getting once that is completed. And this one is finished, the £100 wellies. Let me just show you, that's all completed. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £100 all done for that. So happy. Yep. Fruit and veg, one of my favorites. Now I'm going to put 15 in fruits, and I'm going to put 15 in vegetables. I need some change again. Let's see, we've got 2 10s here. It's okay. 10s. Right, so that will be £30 altogether. So let's get that done. Strawberries will be I didn't want that red, that's too red I think. Let's do this, let's just do that so I know. 15, and then the broccoli, yep, another 15, so that's £30 for both. And I will get those coloured when I'm sitting down and having a nice cup of tea. Save 2024 in 2024. Let's see what we've got left here. 20, 40, 50, 55, and this is going to this challenge. 35 and 20. I can do 35 and 20. That's 55. 20, 40, 50, 55. Great. I'm really happy the way this is going as well. I have to sort out all my binders, count up the money. I've got some completed challenges that I would like to reallocate them somewhere else, so I will try my best to get that done. But in the meantime, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Hope you're having a lovely weekend. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.